Hello, I'm Dr. Vaishali Joshi, NUA expert on gynecology and a senior full-time consultant at Kokilaben Ambani Hospital. Today, we are going to talk on myths and facts about menstruation on the occasion of World Menstrual Hygiene Day, which is globally celebrated on 28th of May. So, we are living in a society where there is a stigma or taboos associated menstruation, and it is all because of lots of myths going on for centuries. So, really, let's talk about what are the myths and what are the facts which relate to menstruation. The most common myth is menstruation is a bad period. It's a dirty period, and menstrual blood contains lot of infection. So basically, this is a complete myth. Actually, the blood which comes through the menstrual fluid is not pure blood. It contains a lining of the uterus along with the secretions of the neck of the womb and a little amount of blood. So it is like the dead skin which is cast off every day on our body, and which to get rid of it we take a bath. So it is similar to that. So it is a natural process, and one needs to accept that it is a way of life. The other misconception we have, which is deeply rooted in our society, that the periods are shameful. So that is also a very big myth, because as I said, it is a natural way of growing up, and you feel it shameful because it is not being openly discussed. So it's very important to talk about periods. Let your family, it should start from your family, and not only your all the family members, whether it is opposite sex, they also need to be involved in this talk, and that is the way to start to increase the acceptance and openness about the periods. The another myth about the periods is the periods always come on the same date of every month. So that is also not fact, and in some ladies it may happen, but we need to understand the periods are actually is a result of our hormonal cycle. So if the hormonal cycle is long, particularly if you ovulate late, then your period will be coming not on the same day, but they may be delayed by a day or two, or maybe few days. So the normal length of the menstrual cycles can vary between 28 to 35 days. The other myth about periods is one should not exercise or limit their physical activity, or should not have sex during periods. Even that is not the fact. It has been shown that sometimes doing physical activity during periods can help to decrease the discomfort one can experience during period flow. It also one should not stop their routine physical activity during periods. Another misconception one has is, PMS or premenstrual syndrome is all in a woman's head. So that is not right. PMS is because of the hormones which affect our body and which regulate our periods. So they can give rise to a lot of water retention, emotional irritability, feeling low, or sometimes even cravings for certain food. So which is the fact, and one needs to understand these emotional outbursts of women's just before period, particularly her family member. The another fact in particularly during current time is COVID vaccination and menstruation. So there has been lot of myths going on that vaccination can affect the menstrual flow, or period regularity, or period pains. So all international bodies, including our national body FOXI, have ruled out this and have said that there is no scientific evidence to prove that. So it's very important to get vaccinated. So this year's World Menstrual Hygiene Day's theme is "It's time for action." And in current pandemic, it's very important for us as a society and as a nation to invest in women's menstrual health management, and to make sure that she have access to basic sanitation, privacy, safe toilets, and access to menstruation products like sanitary pads, tampons, menstrual cup, irrespective of where she stays, whether in rural area or in urban area, and that will give real woman empowerment and gender equality. Thank you.